the bad shots we created in the past 10 years. To the blurry ones, the out-of-focus ones, and the ones that turned into a total mess. To the times we forgot to check the moon phase, the wind, the tide, or the mosquito forecast. To the gear we broke or lost along the way. To the tubes we left behind. To the long drives we made, only to realize the tube bag was still in the hotel room. To the times we were almost late for Blue Hour. To the weird light painting shapes, the trigger glitches, and all the shots with Eric's face in the frame. We celebrate it all, because with every mistake, we got a little better as artists and as humans. And through that beautiful, sometimes messy process, we occasionally got lucky and captured moments of pure magic. Paint with love, paint with light.
Check ça là, ça reluit sur mes mains, le petit gras pis tout.
Là, tu fais quoi?
Logo en gros, là.
Ah ouais.
Mon ombre aussi. Puis allô!
Doesn't move will be visible because it's a long exposure. So if you do move,
So even if it's white, even if
Céline, c'est pour toi.
Does that answer your question?
Eh ben.
Voila! Clean! Tadam! Poof! Bam! Bidi bing boom!
fade out.
Oops.